Hi everyone, today we are going to see what is inside this charm box. So, you don't know where to open? See this small pink. You should open with that and you'll get these. This one is soft and it has sequins that can move around. One is gray and one is pink. And this one says sweet. And this one is the glitter heart and it has rainbow colors, but they are not in order. This is a strawberry, a 3D strawberry. This is a flying donut. This is a bear. This is a ladybug. And this is bracelets. There is totally 4 bracelets. In this middle, you can stick any charms. You can stick this heart charm and don't forget this teeny thorn one is to open it. You can put it in any bracelet or put it in any chain and anything. It will be like this. If you want to keep it inside in your chain, this is a unicorn, a happy unicorn. This one is a reindeer, a yellow reindeer that has 5 pink spots and a flower. Next is this little radish that has cute eyes and a mouth, and it has 3 leaves. And this is the place you can make necklaces and keep these charms. You can put lots of charms and a little bit if you want, or 1 or 2 or more. And what's your favorite? Like, you could take anything from it. This is a unicorn, a brown unicorn. This is a bow. Backside it has glitter. And it's the Mickey Mouse's bow, where Minnie puts it. This is a heart. It glitters. It has glitters. It has rainbow glitters. This one is a table and a plate and an apple had bitten. See? This one, you can read it. It has said, she believes she could too. So she did. So there's another as the same. It has said, live, love, love. This is a bracelet. You can put it in your hand if you want. You can also put here any charms. You can put your favorite charms or the color sorting charms like these. You can put in your hand and you can put like your favorite color, pink. So you can sorted with pink colors or your favorite unicorns and some hearts like that. You can put anything. This is a 3D red bear. This is a cherry. It has pink cherries and green leaves. This is a unicorn too. Here is a blue horn and it has 2 flowers and it closed its eyes. This is a mermaid. This is a mermaid who has a bow and it has pink dress. This is a flower. It has a yellow middle and purple petals. This is an ice cream unicorn. You see, it has a heart and you think it is sad. Yeah, and it is in a cone. This is another unicorn. It is a rainbow unicorn. See how it has a pink body and a little yellow. This one is a bunny. It has rainbow glitter. This is a banana. It has yellow. You know, bananas have yellow. This is a girl. Yeah, you think she has dark circles because he had not colored her well. And she has a blue dress and a crown. And this is the last. A teddy bear. It has said happy birthday and 2 little hearts. And it has a bow. In this one, it has lots of unicorns than anything else. It has unicorns food a lot and animals and unicorns. But some does not come. This is how this heart works. See, it can go to gray, then pink. It has flipped. He had stick 2 colors. One is pink in the front and gray at the back. Thank you.